Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We're doing another book review, and this one is a nice gem. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. It feels good in your hands, and well, we'll take a look at it. I'm not sure how vintage it is, but it looks vintage, and it's just a beautiful royal blue cover. All right, Reaching Our Goals. Won't that be a perfect journal cover to a book, book cover to a journal? Reaching Our Goals. Oh, that's just awesome. It's got a beautiful lighthouse here. All right, let's take some measurements. Whoops. All right, she is 6 by 8 1/4. All right. And it's got a hefty spine to it. So let's measure. It's a 1 1/4 spine. Okay, here's what it looks like on the shelf. If you see it, searching our goals. And then it says, I'm sorry, but it's hard to read. Something and something, I don't know, we'll have to look. It's worn off, so it's really hard to read this part here. Okay, here's the back. It's like a linen type cover. Very beautiful. Let's take a look. Tommy and Johnny Gaffrey. All right, Reaching Our Goals. Progress in Reading by Ernest Horn, State University of Iowa. So, Ginn and Company. All right, copyright 1940. The Anthurium Press. So, this looks like a reader book, is what it says. Have you ever stopped to think how many times a day you read? When you get up in the morning, you may read the paper or look in the radio guide to see what programs are on the air. On the way to school, if you live in town, you may read the signs in the store and the windows. And after you get to school, you use books almost every hour of the day. Oh, wow. Interesting. I might have to check this out. Okay, Reaching Our Goals. So, look at this, like, pencil type drawing. Okay, so let's take a look at this book. I thumbed through it, and it does have some color pages, but this is like a faint mint green. And it's got illustrations. Learning about what phrases are. Look at that. So this is a pretty big book, so let's just thumb through it here. So look at that. Some ships. I mean, it's pretty old type stuff. Here's early days of the automobile. There's Indians. There's some trees, a bird. Oh, it's a robin. Maybe I should go this way with the book, because sometimes the books are, hard to flip through on one way. So there's some Indians, horses, buffalo. Locating words in dictionaries, how to look it up. That's neat. Oops. Oh, wouldn't that make a fantastic journaling tag? How to write and address an envelope. Oh, look at those. You could definitely cut those out and use them. That's neat. Numbers. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous illustration. I hear my husband walking around upstairs. It's probably getting dinner time. What's for dinner? So yeah, oh, look at that, a fishing one. I have to put that in my journal. So yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's fun if you see a book that you are interested in the content of the book, then you know to go online and search for this book if that's what you're looking for. And now you know what it looks like on the inside. I'm just trying to help people find books and look for content and journaling, you know, pages and stuff of books that people are looking for. Because it is hard to do. If you don't have thrift stores around, or maybe they're hours away, you know, your only option is to look online or have somebody look for you. Well, then this is a way to know what type of book you're looking for. So there you go. That is that book, Reaching Our Goals. That is just so cool. Yeah, maybe people are just looking for just covers too and don't care what's on the inside, but they want to know everything about it. Size, you know, the width and how it's made and all that stuff. So anyways, this is a beautiful book. If you can try to find a copy of this, that would be great. Reaching Our Goals. Yeah, that would make a great journal for someone. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.